In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix auto-lock grayed out on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now if we head over to Settings and then Display and Brightness, we can find out here that auto lock feature is currently grayed out and we cannot get into it to configure it. And that's because currently low power mode is active and first off we need to turn it off. To do that, just head over to Settings and then just at the search bar here enter low. And that's how you can easily find it. You need to tap at low power mode here. And that's where at the next step, by turning off that button, you can easily disable it. And then if you go back to Settings and then Display and Brightness, and after that if you tap at auto lock here, you will be able to configure it. Here you can switch it to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 5 minutes. And also you can easily here, if you wanna turn it off, select never. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.